moving on, some breaking news coming in ahead of the GST Council meeting today. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that the next generation GST reforms would absolutely set an economy open and transparent, with further reduction in compliance burden and benefiting small businesses. So there, an important statement coming in from Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. And she said that the next generation GST reforms would absolutely set an economy open and transparent, with further reduction in compliance burden and benefiting small businesses. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's statement coming in, and this is, as far as the GST Council meeting is concerned. She also said that Prime Minister Modi recently announced the creation of a task force for the next generation reforms with a clearer mandate to simplify regulations, lower compliance costs, and also build a more enabling ecosystem for the startups, for the micro, small and medium enterprises and the entrepreneurs. So, of course, we are looking for that big meeting today, as the GST Council meeting will be beginning, and it is the next generation GST reforms that we are expecting now, given Finance Minister has said that it would set an absolutely great economy open and transparent, with a further reduction in compliance burden, and it will of course be benefiting small businesses. All right, viewers, with that, let's shift our focus to where Maratha activist Manoj Jairange Patil, he has ended his hunger strike after the Maharashtra government agreed to issue Kumbhi caste certificates to eligible Marathas, granting them OBC benefits. Well, his supporters celebrate this win and left the Azad Maidan. Watch this full report to know more.
In the heart of Mumbai, a movement that shook Maharashtra reached its crescendo. Maratha quota activist Manoj Patil broke his fast, ending his agitation on its 5th day. He accepted the government resolution given by the Maharashtra Cabinet Subcommittee on Maratha reservation and broke his fast. His eyes were filled with tears as he clutches a glass of juice offered by Maharashtra Minister Radhakrishna Patil. He took a sip of juice in presence of the cabinet subcommittee members as his supporters cheered at Azad Maidan. For days, Manoj Patil starved for demanding a 10% reservation for the Maratha community in jobs and education under the OBC category. After Patil broke his fast, he was taken to a hospital for checkup immediately. Maharashtra government bowed to his demands, issuing a resolution that promises to recognize Marathas as Kunbis, granting them the OBC